What is going on, guys? We're back and we're going to do a quick update on the Ram. We did a lot of upgrades on this in the last couple of weeks, so I didn't get to film all of it, but I'm going to show you what we did. First thing we did was the fuel wheels on this thing. It turned out really well. We did the 20x9s with the 1+1 offset, and you can see that it comes just flush with the fender flares. So I didn't want them sticking out real far like you see all those other idiots on the road, so we got those. I also got the light bar installed. We got this from Amazon. I can put the link in the description below. This is 50,000 lumens, I believe. Works really well. And now the last thing we're going to do on this truck is we got everything else blacked out, but the third brake light. So that's what's in this box right here. We're going to be installing this real quick and finish up the blacked outlet for the truck real quick. All right, the only thing you should need for this is a screwdriver. We'll take these two screws out and then we'll pop this new one in. So this one comes with a new gasket here. We'll put this gasket in the light. It also comes with some new screws, so we'll put those in as well. That's what the old one looks like. We'll just unplug it and then plug the new one in like this. All right, so we got the blacked out third brake light. You can see the LEDs in there. It looks really good. So now we got LEDs around all the way around the truck. We got them on the tail lights, third brake light. We got them on top of the cab. The headlights are LEDs, as well as the light bar in the front. So I'll get a good video of this when it gets dark outside. But yeah, that's what the truck looks like as far as the update. I don't plan on doing much else to it for the time being, but I think we're complete for the moment. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comment below, like this video. Take care and have a great day.